Hey, what is up everyone? My name is Liz and welcome back to Gunpla channel. In this video, I'm going to show you my process on customizing an HG Zaku II F2 from Mobile Suit Gundam 0083 Stardust Memory. For those of you who haven't seen my last video in unboxing and build this HG Zaku, go check that out and make sure to subscribe this channel for more content to enjoy. In this customizing process, I want to make this kit looks more detailed. So I added some panel lines and started it with sanding and sketching on the parts. I also removed some seam lines on the shoulder and the legs and added some details with flat plates. Alright, so please enjoy the video guys. Before the painting process, I suggest you to wash all of the parts, because you will find the parts of the kit is very dusty due to the previous customization process. People usually use a dish soap, but I just use water without any soap to clean the parts. I don't know which is the best, But the important thing is the part looks clean and has no issue when painted. I want to apologize because I haven't been able to take a video of the painting process. Because I don't have a proper place to paint and I only use local spray can to paint this kit. And man, painting with a different color on a part is a very challenging process. Putting some masking is the problem. If you wanted to make a great kit with some detail on it, you must be friends with masking tape. And I want to say, be careful to handle a kit. Because you don't want to be end up like this, right? Especially when the customization process is about to be finished. Alright guys, that is it for my customization video. I love this kit so much, but I actually messed it up with bad colors of the paint. I hate the green. I want the green looks more yellowish and brighter than this. The hard thing when using spray can is you have to choose the best color for a kit, but the color choices may be limited. And you cannot mix colors too. So I decided to buy a compressor and a dye brush, so I can find more colors that I like and choose the best colors for a kit. And thank you so much for watching this video. Hope I can make a better custom kit, so you can be more interested to watch my videos. And see you on the next video guys. Goodbye.